Welcome back to class 7 mathematics. Our chapter is lines and angles. We are discussing about pair of angles. Our third pair of angle is known as adjacent angles. So we can see what is meant by adjacent angles. As adjacent angles is a pair of angle, so definitely it means that there will be two angles. So we can see the definition. A pair of angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. That is, the angle lie on the opposite side of the common arm. Such angles are called adjacent angles. So look at the figure. In figure 1, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Why we can say that they are adjacent angles? Because they have a common vertex. Did you see the common vertex of angle 1 and angle 2? This is the common vertex of angle 1 because this is our angle 1 and this is our angle 2. The common vertex is this one. Which is the common arm? Common arm means the arm which is common to both angle 1 and 2. This is common arm. And what about the non-common arms? These are the non-common arms. Where does it lie? It lies on opposite side of the common arm. Or the angles, angle 1 and angle 2 lie on opposite side of the common arm. Hence, we can say that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. Next, we will discuss try these questions of page number 97. Our first question, are the angles marked 1 and angle 2 are adjacent? If they are not adjacent, say why. Figure is given here. We have to check whether they are adjacent angles or not. Before going to check they are adjacent angles or not, you should thorough with the definition of adjacent angle. What is meant by adjacent angles? First of all, it is a pair of angles. Two angles are said to be adjacent if there are three conditions. First one, a common vertex. Second, yes, they have a common arm. And the third point is the non-common arms will lie on both sides of the common arm. So we can check here from angle 1 and angle 2, we can see that they have a common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms are on both sides of the common arm. Hence, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. Next figure is like this way. Check whether they are adjacent or not. Yes, they are also adjacent. Why? Because they have a common vertex, a common arm, and non-common arms are on both sides of the common arm. See here, when the given angles are adjacent, they will lie like this way. One will not cross over the other. And what about this figure? Are they adjacent or not? Yes, it is not adjacent angle. Why? Because angle 1 and angle 2 have no common vertex. Their vertex are different from each other. So, they are not adjacent angles. Out of three reasons, any one is not satisfying, then it will not be adjacent angles. Is it clear? Next question. See here whether they are adjacent or not. Are you able to say? Yes. They are angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles. Why? Because angle 1 is this one and angle 2 is overlapping with the angle 1. So from the figure itself we can understand they are not adjacent angle. Now we can check it with the conditions whether they are satisfying or not. The first one is they have common vertex. Are angle 1 and angle 2 have a common vertex? Yes, they have common vertex. Are they have the common arm? Yes, they have the common arm. Can you say which is the common arm of this angle 1 and angle 2? It is ray OP. OP is the common arm. And what about the third condition? Non-common arms are on both sides of the common arm. But what about here? Which are the non-common arms? Ray OM and ON are the non-common arms. Where they lie? Are they both sides of the common arm? No. Here both non-common arms are on the same side of the common arm. Hence angle 1 and angle 2 are not adjacent angles. Here angle 1 means angle NOP and angle 2 means angle MOP. Is it clear properly? Angle 2 is not angle MON. It is angle MOP, the bigger angle. Bigger obtuse angle is angle 2 and the small acute angle NOP is angle 1. Now check the condition. Yes, they have common vertex O. Common arm is OP. That is the base arm is the common arm. But the non-common arms OM and ON do not lie on the both do not lie on both sides of the common arm. It lies on the same side of common arm. Hence, the given angles are not adjacent angles. Our next figure is like this way. It is given angle 1, angle 2, are they adjacent or not? From the figure itself we can say that there is a common arm and both angle are on opposite of the both side of the common arm, hence it is adjacent. Now we can see how to write the answer of this one. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent because they have common vertex, common arm and non-common arms are on both sides of the common arm. Next question, question number 2. Are the following adjacent angles? Figure is given. They are asking angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent or not. Justify your answer means you have to give reason why they are adjacent or why not. So from the figure itself we can understood both angles are adjacent angles because angle AOB is represented by black color and angle BOC is represented by the red color. They have the common arm OB and angles are on opposite side of OB. Both side of the common arm, hence they are adjacent. Now see how to write the reason. Here angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have common vertex O, common arm OB, and the non-common arms OA and OC lie on both sides of the common arm OB. Hence, the given pair of angles are adjacent angles. Second part of the question, whether angle BOD or angle BOC are adjacent angles or not. Here in the figure it is marked angle BOD by blue color, that is the bigger angle, that is the obtuse angle, and angle BOC is the smaller angle, that is represented by the small red color. From the figure it is clear that one angle is overlapping the other angle, so it is not adjacent angles. That we confirm it is not adjacent angle, but we have to write the reason properly. So let's see how to answer this one. Given angle BOD and angle BOC are not adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O, which is the common arm. They have the common arm OB. But the non-common arms, which are the non-common arms? Arm ray OC and ray OD, which do not lie on both side of the common arm. It lie on the same side of the common arm. Hence, they are not adjacent angles. Here, the third condition is not satisfying, so it is not adjacent angles. Is it clear? Here, they have common vertex and common arm. OB is the common arm. But why they are not adjacent angle? The non-common arms lie on the same side of the common arm. Hence, they are not adjacent angle. Is it clear? Yes.